All right, so I just got this tablet and phone mount that goes in the cup holder of my car. I'm gonna open it right now and test it out. But I've been wanting to use my tablet right here a little bit more often since it has like data and everything, and I actually want to use it more than just when I take it into work. Or sometimes I just need to charge my phone, and I could just leave my phone charging while I can use my tablet for everything else, like my map and everything. So I'm gonna open this up. It just says car cup platter holder. And good quality, dare to promise, but I don't see an actual brand name anywhere. So let's just open this up. I got this on Temu for like, I don't even know, maybe like $7 or $9, something like that. Box quality wasn't that great. It was kind of open already, so I don't know if it was returned and just, hope not. But it still has the plastic on it, and I'm at work, so I'm gonna have to go back in like 2 minutes. All right. One. All right. Oops. All right. So you just got to attach this part to the over here, and then it has a little screw to tighten this, so you can actually fix the leveling that you want. And all right, so this is what it looks like being held. Still pretty like flimsy or whatever, but I mean it's a pretty cool stand if you're just gonna, I don't know, for whenever you're just sitting in your car and you gotta eat and you're gonna watch a movie or something. I mean that it'll come in handy for that, but I think besides that it'll be a little, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't like hold if I'm driving, but I'll make another quick video afterwards when I actually take it for a drive, and maybe I don't know, maybe it's a little more sturdier than it looks, but kind of feels a little flimsy. Maybe I need to tighten it down here a little bit, but yeah, that's what it looks like, and I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so I just drove home from work. I had my tablet on here the whole drive. It had my map open. I didn't have it like this. I just put this on right now just so I could shoot this little quick video, but overall it was very sturdy. Moved a little bit, shake like this pretty much whenever I would go on like through the ramps, or if I was making a turn, it would just shake a little bit, but overall it's very sturdy. It didn't fall off, and I would definitely recommend buying one if you were interested in using your tablet a little bit more often in your car. The only other thing that I've ever done to use my tablet in the car was put like the phone mounts on the side right here, but I didn't want to do this with this one because this car actually has Apple Play, so I didn't, and it's a 2024. So I didn't want to stick magnets onto my dashboard. So I was like, okay, if I want to use my tablet a little bit more, I'm just going to get the cup holder thing. If I get an older car, I'll probably do the magnet thing again. But overall, this was a very good purchase, $7 or $8. I'll include where I bought it and how much it actually was. But overall, good product. And I would definitely recommend. And thanks for watching. Peace out.